Alright, we left off with ticker KGC, which is Kinross Gold. Next ticker that I want to talk about is, gotta be on the screen first, Cenex. Now, I've been saying, gotta watch Cenex, and Cenex actually exploded yesterday. But right now, we are actually seeing a bullish Harami on the candlestick, now that I noticed that. Which, the bullish Harami is a reversal pattern, a 2-day reversal pattern. So we could see Cenex pull back here. But if we stay at a low volume distribution, again, the one thing that I did say yesterday was I would like to see a breakout of a volume breakout that would allow the price to really push through that 668. The one other thing that I do want to show you is the relationship that this stock has with, let me edit the studies here, the relationship it has with that 200-day moving average. Let's see if we can get a better view of this. Yep, this 200-day moving average is the second support. So the 200-day moving average is really working as the overhead, not support, resistance for Century Aluminum right now. The first one would be 668, and that was the target for the week. And the 200-day moving average, 699, is that overhead resistance. Alright, next chart I would like to discuss for the top 5 Friday. Let's go to WLL, Whiting Peat. Phenomenal breakout here. Let's extend this line. Great breakout. And I always like to see this because on days like this especially, even if it is low volume, this is good to see because it's a commodity stock and it's doing all right today. It's continuing its trend upward. The one thing that I don't like about this stock is that it is starting to run into resistance here. Not only resistance, but gap fill resistance at 39.23. The other thing about this is it has resistance with the 50-day moving average. Let's check that out here in a second. There you go. Held here, and it's starting to loop down again. So if WLL can get enough momentum and the commodity stocks start picking up, again, just for a little interruption here, here's the crude oil for the day. Low volume, but it is increasing, and it's up about 1.5%, which shocks me, but it's something to consider and something to look at, especially with this ascending trend line. So, WLL to look for is a break above 39.23 and the 50-day moving average, which is at 39.44. Finally, and I know a lot of people are probably going to get on me for this one, dry ships. I like dry ships for a couple reasons. Yesterday, my afternoon update had dry ships in it. Low volume distribution, and it does show in its price that it's not really moving down a lot, maybe 1% a day. But I like it because it held 619. It is a speculative play, so you need to be safe with it. But because it held that 619, we've got a hold here, a base at 490, a hold here. What's next? A hold at 545, and we get an inverse head and shoulders, which has the potential, if dry ships gets enough momentum, to put us over that 619 hump and get us into the 7s again for dry ships. That's Top 5 Friday afternoon update. Look on my blog for the JASO and Amcor updates. And that's about it. Enjoy your Friday and good luck with the rest of your trading day. Have a great weekend.